where you have a wire poke or potentially a bracket that is rubbing into the gum tissue or cheek. So first step is to just take a small piece of wax and just kind of roll it up in a ball like this. Then whichever area is irritating you, so let's say it's this bracket here that's rubbing your cheek, basically you just use a dry finger and just apply it just like that. By doing that, it's going to soften the area and provide a protective cover to allow your tissue to slowly adjust to the bracket position, or until we can see you in the office trying to alleviate any discomfort. The other good use for the wax is sometimes as the teeth straighten, the wire can travel out the back of the last bracket. If that happens, it can tend to irritate the cheek or gum tissue. So same thing, we'll just ball up a small piece of wax, apply it to this long area of wire right on the back, just like that. The key is to try and get that area as dry as possible so that the wax will stick to it. And then we can take care of any long wires by clipping them in the office.